Hey everyone! So in this video, I'll show you how to change the recovery phone number in Gmail. If you changed your number or want better account security, this full guide for 2026 will walk you through it. First, sign into your Gmail account and open your Google account settings. This is where all security and recovery options are managed. Now go to the security section, scroll down until you see the recovery information area. Under the How You Sign Into Google area, select Recovery Phone. You may need to verify your password again. Here, remove the old number or add a new one. Enter your new phone number carefully and continue. Google will send a verification code to your new number. Enter the code to confirm the change. Once verified, your recovery phone number is updated. This number will be used to help recover your account in the future. And that's how to change your Gmail recovery phone number in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.